Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera not working, camera failed issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it do not solve, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last option is reset settings. Click on settings, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not working, camera failed issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.